Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY fascinator, a very fast one. I'm using a straw strap that I derived from my straw hat, plaited crinoline, feathers, and I need thread and needle. Here I'm trying to get a shape that looks like number 8, and I've been able to get that, and I'm using my thread and my needle to tack it. Then I also have here plaited crinoline that I want to use. Remove the thread from the edge to free both edge, then you tack it together, like kind of pleating it to get a fan shape. I've done that and my fan shape is ready. I use my thread and my needle to tack it very well to keep it in shape so that it will not scatter. As you can see, I have been able to bring out the shape that I desire, a fan-like shape from the plaited crinoline, and I am attaching my straw design to it, my 8-like shape straw design, and I'm tacking the two things together to get the base of my fascinator. And this is a very fast one that you can do in less than 5 minutes. And as you can see, I am done. I'm just fastening the thread to have a very firm hold of the whole thing, and I'm attaching my feathers, and I'm beginning with the sewing feathers using my candle gum. As you can see, that is done, and I attach my sewing feathers, a very quick one. The feathers is thick, and I attach the other feathers. You can put as many feathers as you desire depending on how catchy you want it to look, and I'm just attaching just 3 feathers to it. That's how I want it. And as you can see, that is done, and the fascinator is ready. It's a very fast one, and I attach my wording to hold the Alice band that I will attach to the base to help one place it on the head very well. This is my Alice band that I'm trying to attach now. The gum is there already, so you just attach the Alice band to it, and the fascinator is ready. You press it down for it to hold firmly. And it is done. You just arrange it, make sure that the gum does not show. What it looks like, as you can see, is very beautiful. You can do it for a baby girl. You don't need to pay for everything. Like and subscribe.